Article written by Vijay Mauli, Chennai, February 8, 2025. The psychology of homeowners. When homeowners think about remodeling, it's rarely just about the physical changes. There's a strong psychological element tied to the idea of home. People want spaces that reflect their personality and meet the emotional needs of themselves and their families. Let's look at specific rooms. The living room is often seen as a place to relax and entertain guests. The colors and furniture should reflect that. Think about soft, neutral colors on the walls and comfy couches to promote feelings of peace and calm. The kitchen is a little different. It's a place where families come together, but it's also where meals are prepared. The design needs to balance these social and functional aspects. Open kitchens that connect to the living area can foster a sense of togetherness. Bedrooms are private spaces designed for rest and relaxation. Soft colors, comfortable bedding, and a generally soothing atmosphere are important for good sleep and reducing stress. Finally, bathrooms are often thought of as personal sanctuaries. People want bathrooms that feel clean, spacious, and luxurious to promote feelings of pampering and renewal. The psychology of businesses. Businesses approach remodeling with a different mindset. It's less about personal feelings and more about how the space will impact their brand and customers. The overall look and feel of a business should reflect its values and the experience it wants to create for customers. A modern, minimalist office might suggest innovation, while a more traditional design could convey stability and trust. Even the layout of an office can influence behavior. Open floor plans promote collaboration, while private offices might be seen as a status symbol. The psychology of suppliers. Successful suppliers understand the psychology of both homeowners and businesses. Homeowners are looking for someone who gets their vision and can make it a reality. They want to feel understood and supported throughout the process. Businesses want suppliers who can help them achieve their strategic goals. They're looking for efficiency, reliability, and someone who understands their brand. Building trust is crucial on both sides. Homeowners might look for personal recommendations or online reviews. Businesses might check references or ask for detailed portfolios. It's about more than just the quality of the work, it's about creating a positive emotional connection. In conclusion, psychology plays a massive role in remodeling, whether it's for a home or a business. Understanding these underlying motivations is key for homeowners, businesses, and suppliers alike. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more insights into the psychology of home and business.